Good evening, it's me again, Jose Jefferson Cuesta, and tonight we're going to talk about a very beautiful country that I want to make an invitation to you. So I want you to meet Colombia. Colombia is one of the greatest country in the world. Why? Let me tell you why. So first of all, Colombia has Colombia has a great biodiversity of landscapes, culture, and some other aspects that made it special. So we have some different places that you can visit if you are on vacation or just in whatever season that you want to come and visit Colombia, in which we are going to have some different kind of music like folk music, joropo, curulao from the Pacific coast, champeta, salsa, and many other different things to do while you're on vacation or just visiting Colombia. Well, it's located in South America and is, as I said before, it's the first country that you are going to get when you come to South America. And especially for you tonight, I want to make a very big invitation, a very nice invitation, a particular and great invitation, a fantastic invitation to Buenaventura. But especially to know a huge natural beauty, a great beauty place with no landscapes like this are found in other places. This place is San Cipriano. Let me introduce you to San Cipriano. San Cipriano is a natural reserve located in Buenaventura, Valle del Cauca, which is being protected by different institutions from the state since 1979. It's in the kilometer 23 in Buenaventura. These are the organizations which protect this natural reserve: Inderena, Instituto Nacional de los Recursos Naturales Renovables y del Ambiente, the Alcaldía Distrital, or in English we say the Distrital Hall, City Hall, and Corporación Autónoma Regional del Valle. This beautiful and magic place is composed by nature, be part of water sources like crystal water, waterfalls, amazing waterfall, fantastic waterfalls, tropical jungle, and if we pay close attention to that, it's particularly nice, great this adventure, because to get to this place, believe it or not, you need to take some special means of transport, which is going to be as a track. It's going to be this rail transport, and it's called brujitas. These are the transport brujitas. This is the means of transportation here, brujitas, in which these people, they have two modalities for moving them. One can be just by hand with these sticks, these huge sticks that they have in here, or a motorcycle. People enjoy while they're going there in order to get to this magical place. So it's gonna be a very great adventure, nice adventure to go there. Gonna be a nice adventure. Finally, we get to this. When you get to San Cipriano, it is constituted by three different things: the cabins, the hotels, and the restaurants. Let me tell you about these fascinating things, these fantastic places. These cabins are wooden cabins, most of them, which are fresh, and in the middle of this jungle you can enjoy the nature, the singing of birds, and some other themes which you are going to really enjoy when you come here. Hotels. These hotels are cheaper than other places in which you can relax. You can have a single room, double room, because according to the number of members that are coming with you, right? If you need a bigger one, of course, it is available for all of you. And let's talk about food. We have some typical food from the Pacifico, like sancocho de pescado, some special shrimp here, and that is caught in the river, and it's I forgot the name of these shrimps right now, but anyway, this is a little bit on my mind. And all those places are seafood, that which you can get there, also normal food, but most of the time people really enjoy going eating there this special food. So don't miss this opportunity to come here, meet us, enjoy Buenaventura's one of the best landscapes that we have in Buenaventura is San Cipriano. Crystal weather, natural places, tropical jungle. Enjoy it. Come here. We make you the invitation to eat, to live, to feel, and not to forget this magical and fantastic place. We hope you come. See you next time. And so sorry, teacher, for the 3 times I say very.